In March 2022, a video exploded across the internet. Ukrainian President Zelenskyy sitting at his official desk, telling his soldiers to surrender to Russia. 40 million people saw it. News outlets scrambled to verify. Governments issued emergency statements. There was just one problem. Zelenskyy never said those words. The video was completely fake. And here's what should terrify you. It almost worked. The deepfake was crude by today's standards. Experts spotted the distortions within minutes, but millions shared it anyway. That was 2 years ago. The technology has improved 1,000 times since then, and most people still can't tell what's real. In this documentary, we're going to show you exactly how to spot AI fakes, because the next video that fools 40 million people might be the one you share. May 22nd, 2023. A single image hits Twitter, black smoke billowing from the Pentagon. Within minutes, it's everywhere. The stock market immediately plummets. The S&P 500 drops $30 billion in value. Traders scramble. News desks panic. There's just one problem. It never happened. No explosion, no smoke, no attack. Just an AI-generated image that fooled the world. The image was created using AI in seconds. It looked real enough to bypass verification, real enough to move markets, real enough to terrify millions. But here's what most people missed. The telltale signs were hiding in plain sight. And once you know what to look for, you can't unsee them. This wasn't the first AI fake to go viral, and it definitely won't be the last. Welcome to the new reality where seeing is no longer believing. In this documentary, we're going to show you exactly how these fakes are made, how to spot them, and what's at stake when anyone can fabricate reality. In 2023, a photo circulated online showing Pope Francis in a white puffer jacket. Millions believed it. The problem? It never happened. It was AI generated, and even journalists were fooled. That same year, an AI voice clone convinced a bank manager to transfer $35 million. The voice was indistinguishable from the company's CEO. One phone call, $35 million. Gone. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your ability to detect what's real has become biologically obsolete. Your eyes and ears evolved over millions of years, but they're no match for algorithms trained on billions of images. Let me show you why. This is a real person. This is AI. Can you tell the difference? Most people can't. Even experts get it wrong 40% of the time. And here's where it gets worse. The technology isn't just getting better, it's getting faster and cheaper. What cost thousands of dollars last year now runs on a smartphone. But before you panic, understand this. The game has changed, but it's not over. You just need to learn the new rules. The old verification method was simple. See it, believe it. The new method requires what I call provenance thinking. Don't ask if it looks real. Ask, where did this come from? Take this viral video of Tom Cruise doing magic tricks on TikTok. Millions of views, except it's not Tom Cruise. It's a deepfake account that fooled even verified news outlets. The tell wasn't in the face. The tell was in the source. Real Tom Cruise doesn't post random TikTok magic tricks. Context is your new superpower. So here's your first new rule. Stop trusting your instincts. Start trusting the trail. Every real image has a history. Every fake has a gap. In 2024, Sports Illustrated was caught publishing articles with AI-generated author photos and fake biographies. The images were perfect, but the LinkedIn profiles didn't exist. Your eyes told you these were real journalists. A 30-second Google search told you the truth. This is the new literacy, verification before belief. And it's not just photos anymore. AI can now generate entire video conversations. Watch this. A CFO joins a Zoom call with her entire team, except everyone on the call is AI. She transferred $25 million. The technology is called real-time deepfake video. It works in live calls, voice, face, mannerisms, all synthetic, all convincing, all dangerous. But here's what the scammers don't want you to know. They rely on speed and pressure. The moment you slow down and verify, their scheme collapses. Which brings us to the tools that still work. Because while your eyes may be useless, your skepticism is more valuable than ever. So how do you actually tell what's real anymore? Forget complex software. There are 3 simple tests anyone can do in under 60 seconds. Test 1, the pause test. AI-generated videos struggle with natural pauses. Real people have micro expressions between words, a slight eyebrow raise, a natural blink pattern. Watch this deepfake of Tom Cruise. Pause randomly. Notice how the face looks almost plastic? The muscles don't hold tension like real skin. Now a real Tom Cruise interview paused at the same moment. See the difference? The asymmetry, the tiny imperfections. Reality is messy. Test 2. The background check. AI generates backgrounds but struggles with consistency. Look at what's behind the subject. In this viral CEO announcement, watch the bookshelf. The titles blur and shift between frames. Books don't do that in reality. These tests sound simple because they are, and that's exactly why they work when million-dollar detection systems fail. Test 3. The context cross-check. This is your nuclear option. Search for the claim outside the video. Real events leave digital footprints everywhere. When that video of Elon Musk promising free Tesla cars went viral, a simple Google search showed zero mainstream coverage. Nothing. Red flag. Real major announcements don't exist in a vacuum. They're covered by Reuters, Bloomberg, AP within minutes. Let's test this live. Here's a video claiming a new government policy. First, the pause test. Paused at random intervals, the facial expressions hold naturally. Skin texture looks real. Eye movements track correctly. Passes test 1. The government seal behind the speaker stays consistent. Text remains sharp across frames. The shadows don't shift unnaturally. Context cross-check. Searching the policy announcement. It's on official government websites, covered by major outlets with consistent details everywhere. 3 tests, all passed. High confidence this is real. The whole process took 45 seconds. But here's what they don't tell you. Even these tests have an expiration date. AI is learning to fool them. Here's the twist nobody saw coming. The best fake detector isn't your gut instinct or media literacy. It's another AI. In 2023, researchers at UC Berkeley released an AI that could spot deepfakes with 94% accuracy. The catch? It was trained on millions of AI-generated faces. We're now in an arms race where AI creates fakes and AI hunts them down. It's like setting a thief to catch a thief. Take this viral image of the Pope in a puffer jacket. Millions believed it. But AI detectors flagged it instantly by analyzing pixel-level inconsistencies humans can't see. The irony gets deeper. As detection AI improves, generative AI learns from those very detectors to make better fakes. It's an infinite loop. So if AI is fighting AI, where does that leave us? Caught in the crossfire, trying to figure out who's winning. Companies like Intel developed Fake Catcher, analyzing blood flow in video pixels. Real faces have subtle color changes. Fakes don't, yet. But here's the problem. Every detection method revealed publicly becomes a training manual for the next generation of fakes. In 2024, OpenAI released a tool to detect ChatGPT written text. They shut it down 6 months later. Accuracy, only 26%. The AI had already evolved past it. Some platforms now embed invisible watermarks in AI content, but researchers cracked most watermarking systems within weeks of release. The most successful detection? Not technological, it's contextual. AI struggles with consistency across details humans naturally maintain. Test this yourself. Ask ChatGPT to write a story, then ask it if the story is AI-generated. Watch it confidently analyze and often get it wrong. The ultimate irony? We're building AI to protect us from AI, while simultaneously making both sides smarter. There's no winning this war, only adaptation. We began this journey asking a simple question. Can we trust anything online anymore? We've seen AI recreate voices indistinguishable from reality. We've watched deepfakes fool experts. We've tested tools that generated fake evidence in seconds. The old rules are gone. Seeing is no longer believing. Hearing is no longer proof. But here's what the doomers get wrong. Trust isn't dead. It's evolving. The future of trust won't come from perfect detection. It will come from radical transparency about provenance. We're already seeing it. Content credentials embedded in images, cryptographic signatures for videos, verification badges for authentic sources. The companies creating AI fakes are now building the tools to verify what's real. The irony isn't lost on anyone. But technology alone won't save us. The real solution is human, critical thinking, source verification, healthy skepticism. In this new world, trust becomes a skill, not an assumption. And that might be the most important lesson of all. So the next time you see something shocking, something too perfect, something that confirms exactly what you already believe, pause. Ask, where did this come from? Who verified it? What evidence supports it? These questions are your armor now. Trust is dead. Long live trust. But this time we'll have to earn it and verify it every single day. The age of blind faith is over. The age of informed trust has begun. The question is, are you ready? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out other videos.